Assalamualaikum students, hope you all will be fine. Today we will revise the next topic, that is nerves. I had given you a brief knowledge about nerves. Basically, nerves are thread-like or telephone wires-like structures that distributed all over the living organism body, and they function or act like a telephone wire, means they connect the sense organs towards the central nervous system. Central nervous system means with the brain or the spinal cord. The sense organs, for example, hand, skin, nose, tongue. Nerves are made up of nerve cells like brain, and nerves are of two kinds or two types. The first one is the sensory nerve and second one is the motor nerve. What is the function of sensory nerve? Sensory nerve carries message from the sense organs towards the spinal cord or brain, and motor nerve send back answer or message of brain and spinal cord towards the muscles and glands. The nerves of the head and the neck region are directly connected to the brain. Why? Because short distance is present between the head and neck region nerves. The nerves that arise from other part of the body are linked directly to the spinal cord and then connected to the brain. Nerves work like telephone wires. They link every part of the body to central control system. The brain nerves are made up of nerve cells and are of two kinds, sensory nerves and motor nerves. Sensory nerves carry signals or messages or information from the sense organs, means tongue, eyes, nose, the skin, to the brain or the spinal cord. These in turn tell the sense organs what they have seen, heard, smelled, tasted or felt. Nerves from the head and the neck region are connected directly to the brain. The nerves from other part of the body are connected to each side of the spinal cord. The spinal cord is connected then to the brain. Motor nerves send signal from the brain or spinal cord to the muscles and glands. These signals make muscle move. The brain, spinal cord and nerves form a very efficient communication network. Basically, this type of network is known as the nervous system, and it controls all actions and movement. Here is the important information about the nerve cell. Like brain requires for proper functioning oxygen, proper sleep and food. Same like that, nerve cells require blood and oxygen in order to keep working efficiently, otherwise they may die. Brain cells are different from other cells of the body. How? Because they do not regrow. Unlike cut and scraped skin or broken bones that mend or repaired, the brain cells cannot regrow or mend, means repaired themselves if they are damaged. They cannot be replaced if they die, so you must take care and avoid any head injury. Now we will solve concept check. On page number 4, use the correct word to complete these sentences. The nerves that transmit signals from the brain to the muscles and glands are called dash nerves. Basically, this type of nerve is motor nerve. The nerves that transmit signals from the sense organ to the brain are called sensory nerves, because sensory nerves carries messages from sense organs towards the spinal cord and the brain. Now we are going to discuss the exercise questions that are related to the topic nerves. Question 7, part 1. Name the different kinds of nerves in the body. Part 2. What is the function of the sensory nerves? Answer on page number 4. The answer of part 1. They are of two kinds. First one is sensory nerve and motor nerves. The answer of question number 7 part 2 is sensory nerves carry signals from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. Hope you will understand the topic nerves. Thank you for listening.